Hello, friends and honorable persons. This is Prashant Srivastava at present in Delhi, the capital city of the country. I've come all the way from Mumbai. Basically, I'm an actor. I'm not at all a politically motivated person or a politician. Instead, I'm a socialist and a humanist by nature. Person-wise, I'm an actor from the Bollywood film and TV industry, trying my hard luck to earn name, fame, and money in the Bollywood film and industry. After coming to the capital city of the country, that is New Delhi, I have been visiting Jantar Mantar, where the Cockroach Janata Party is carrying on with their protest, which is moreover related to the NEET paper leak case, thereby demanding the resignation of the Union Minister for HRD and Education, Honorable and respected Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. They have an allegation that Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan is not educated. This is sheer a big lie and a bluff. For the kind information and knowledge of you all, coincidentally, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan is my friend and fellow mate since the academic times, and I know him very well. He is a very decent person, a thorough, honest, and a gentleman. And I believe we can't do anything otherwise which is not good for the society or the country. The demand of the Cockroach Janata Party for the resignation of the present Union Minister for HRD and Education, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan ji, is just foolish and not wise, because it is the fault and flaw in the system. The fault lies in the system that has had been set up by the previous governments, which is in the opposition at present. The previous governments, which is in the opposition at present, it's their fault and flaw that the system of the country has got corrupt, wherein the people, anyone in the various faculty and department enrolled, the mindset and activities are full of flaws and faults. So for this, one can't blame the minister in the Union Cabinet Minister. The fault lies all totally in the system set up by the previous governments who are at present sitting in the opposition to the present ruling government. Last but not the least, this Andolan, this movement, is not a neat and clean one. It's not purely a Andolan or movement. It is politically motivated, whereby one can see the people from the various segments who are hurdles and obstacles in the growth, progress and development, besides peace and harmony in the country, are actively the part and member of the Andolan. Thus, the Cockroach Janata Party has the backing of various political parties who are anti-Modi, anti-BJP, and they have made this neat paper lake an issue. They are trying their level best to make a hill out of a mole, which cannot be entertained anyway, anyhow. The demand for the education minister is purely politically motivated. On this basis, they are trying to get out the Modi government at the center. At the end, I would like to conclude that this Cockroach Janata Party is only a political movement with a political agenda and propaganda to defame the present government and get out the Modi government, thereby to make their presence in the present political scenario of the country. It's my kind and humble request to the people of the country, citizens of the country, not to take this Andolan, this movement seriously at all, being carried forward, being done and carried on by the Cockroach Janata Party. For your kind information, All India Student Federation and Student Federation of India, which you all know their history and background, their activities in which they have had been involved. They have a very bad history and poor record. You can say the anti-Indians are participating in full fledged only to show their presence in the political scenario of the country with the adverse mindset and adverse impact over the present political status of the country, only to defend the BJP government and the Modi government at the center, who's ruling at the center. You all take care and take charge. Don't fall prey or victim of this Cockroach Janata Party, this Andolan or movement in disguise. It's purely politically motivated with their respective agendas and propagandas. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.